This 2022 Palomino Backpack Edition HS 2912 Max is a truck camper RV. It is located in St. Augustine, Florida, 32086 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV St. Augustine. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Palomino is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3 and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper features outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.